Ever wondered how top YouTubers create high-quality videos so quickly? The secret is AI tools. From writing scripts to editing, voiceovers, and even thumbnails, AI can do it all. Today, I'll show you how you can use AI to create YouTube videos faster, easier, and without spending big money. First is script writing. Tools like ChatGPT can generate full scripts for your videos in minutes. Just type your topic, like how to grow on YouTube, and AI will give you a ready-to-use script with hooks, steps, and a clear flow. No more writer's block. Next, voiceovers. Don't want to record your own voice? No problem. AI voice tools like ElevenLabs, Murf, or Google's text-to-speech can generate natural-sounding narration. You simply paste your script, pick a voice style, and download the audio. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels. Now let's talk video. Platforms like Pictory, Runway, and InVideo AI can turn your script into a full video. They automatically add stock footage, animations, and subtitles. You can also use AI tools like DID or HeyGen if you want an AI avatar presenting your content. Thumbnails are critical, and AI makes them easy. With tools like Canva AI or Midjourney, you can generate eye-catching designs. Just add bold text like fixed or secret revealed, combine it with strong visuals, and you've got a click-worthy thumbnail in minutes. Finally, AI can even help with SEO. Tools like TubeBuddy AI or Vidicue generate keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags, making your video easier to rank and reach more viewers. And that's how AI can help you make YouTube videos from start to finish: scripts, voiceovers, editing, thumbnails, and SEO. The future of content creation is here, and AI is the ultimate co-pilot. If you want more tutorials like this, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for the next video.